This is the Avantree TWS110 True Wireless Earbuds. In this video, you will find these contents. Here's a look at what you'll find inside the box. To get started, select a pair of ear tips that's comfortable for you. There are 3 different sizes that you can choose from. In case you would like to switch between ear tips, this is how you do it. Once you've found the pair you like, put the earbuds on like this. To power on the headphones, simply remove the earbuds from the charging case. They'll automatically enter pairing mode, as indicated by the flashing red and white LED. With the earbuds in pairing mode, search and select Avantree TWS110 via the Bluetooth function on your mobile device to connect. Once connected, the LED lights on the earbuds will turn off, and you'll be good to go. When you're done using them, simply put the earbuds back into the charging case. They will automatically turn off and start charging as indicated by the solid red LED light. Alternatively, you can manually turn the earbuds off by long pressing the bumpy button on the right side earbud for 5 seconds. The next time you use it, the earbuds should automatically reconnect to your mobile device upon the removal from the case. If it doesn't auto-reconnect, simply go into the Bluetooth menu and click to connect. To play, pause, answer a call, or end a call, short press the bumpy button once. To adjust volume, short press the flat buttons on each earbud. One raises the volume and the other one lowers. To control tracks, long press the flat buttons on each earbud. One takes you forward and the other one takes you back. You may also activate Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa on your device by long pressing the bumpy button. If you would like to use only one earbud, the right side earbud can be used that way. In this situation, we recommend that you control the volume and the track using your mobile device instead of the earbud. The case automatically charges the earbuds when the earbuds are inside the case. However, in order to do so, the case would also need to be charged. So, to charge the case, simply connect it to a power source using the USB cable we provided. You'll see the LED lights on the case light up when charging. The more LED lights you see, the more battery it has. 4 LED lights indicate a fully charged case. And that's how you use the Avantree TWS110. Thanks for watching.